Hey guys, Dr. Price here at Better Life Chiropractic. I just want to take a few minutes and answer some questions we've been getting about what it's like to get a kid adjusted. And my daughter Faithful is our fun volunteer. She's 2 years old, had lots of fun in life. So I wanted to show you because she loves getting adjusted. Climb on here. Faithful, let's get you on the table. Lay down. Put your nose in. There you go. One of the biggest things with kids, especially 2 years old like her, is feeling these hips, seeing where they're not moving as they should because, well, they fall on their butt a lot. And the average 5-year-old has fallen 5,000 times. So we just got her mid-back right there. And now we're gonna have her switch over right here towards me and she'll go to her side very simply, just like this, and it's super gentle. There we are, that one's easy. And we're gonna flip her over this way so you can guys see me get this hip that's a little stuck on her left. And it's a little closer, so we just bring that up right there. Now, for her neck, it's very simple and super gentle. This is the one part she wiggles like crazy. And there we are. And now, Faithum's been tuned up. So, you can see how simple and amazing it is just to get your kids checked and get them adjusted.